FXEmpire, this is Chris taking a look at the natural gas markets, and as you can see, the natural gas markets have initially dipped a bit, only to turn around and show signs of life. By doing so, it looks like the $2.25 level is offering a little bit of support, but I do think that ultimately the overall range is probably between the $2 level and the $3.33 level. The $2.50 level does seem to be a little bit of a magnet for price, perhaps what we could call fair value, and therefore I think we could bounce from there. All things being equal, this is a market that I think is closer to the bottom, so it does rally from here. It's a short-term trade. It's not something you want to hang on to forever, and I believe that natural gas will continue to grind back and forth. In general, this is a scenario where you look at the winter being almost over and such a huge disappointment for those who are bullish on the natural gas markets. Now we have to carve out a range for the year. I think that's what we are in the midst of doing. And as we are closer to the bottom than the top, I think it does make a certain amount of sense that we get a little bit of a recovery. It's not necessarily something that I want to hang on to, but I do recognize that the proclivity of this market is to probably bounce from here more likely than not. Breaking down below the $2 level would be catastrophic and not something that I see happening anytime soon. The market has sold off quite drastically, but we also have to worry about the idea of the Middle East kicking off some type of panic rally due to the fact that the overall shipping and transportation systems could be threatened due to an escalating conflict.